1. Bosnia and Herzegovina. A blue field with a large diagonal triangle. White stars follow the diagonal edge. 2. Brunei. 2 diagonal stripes run across the flag. They cross a yellow background with the national emblem. 3. Democratic Republic of the Congo. A red diagonal stripe crosses the flag. It runs from bottom left to top right. 4. Kiribati. The lower half has diagonal wave-like stripes. Blue and white stripes form a rising ocean pattern. 5. Namibia. A bold red diagonal band divides the flag. Thin white borders separate blue and green sections. 6. Papua New Guinea. The flag is divided diagonally into 2 halves. Red and black sides feature a bird and stars. 7. Republic of the Congo. A yellow diagonal band runs across the flag. It separates green and red fields. 8. St. Kitts and Nevis. A black diagonal band crosses the flag. 2 white stars appear inside the band. 9. St. Lucia. A large triangle creates a diagonal look. Black and white triangles form a mountain shape. 10. Seychelles. 5 colored bands spread diagonally from the corner. They fan outward across the flag. 11. Solomon Islands. A yellow diagonal stripe divides the flag. Stars appear in the blue triangle. 12. Tanzania. A black diagonal band crosses the flag. Yellow borders separate green and blue areas. 13. Trinidad and Tobago. A bold black diagonal stripe runs across. Thin white borders outline the stripe.